Learn Japanese できる。Hello, this is Kiki. こんにちは、キキです。Our team to learn Japanese ファティマさんです。佐藤さんです。Today, we are going to learn 何々ができます means can, do. Today's agenda, first introduction. I'm going to introduce the examples of 何々ができます。Then, how to use conversation with Kiki sensei and Fatima san and Sato san. Then, third, phrases from Demon Slayer. So let's get started. First, introduction. 何々ができます。運転ができます。So before が here have to be noun. 運転 means driving. 運転ができます。英語ができます。英語ができます。勉強ができます。勉強ができます。勉強ができません。勉強ができません。This is negative form. Just delete ます and put ません。勉強ができません。運転ができます。運転ができません。This is polite form. Informal or dictionary form, we can say 運転ができる。運転ができない。So we are going to learn dictionary form in the next video, but just today, I will introduce informal way to say 運転ができます is 運転ができる。運転ができません informal is 運転ができない。Second, how to use informal conversation. 見て、見て。すごいやろ？すごい。So this is very short and informal conversation. 見て、見て means look. So he's doing some kind of hand balancing and then he wanted to show to Fatima-san. This is informal, but 見て he omitted ください。見て見てすごいやろすごい is e adjective and it means cool or great. And やろ is Kansai dialect, it means isn't. Then, Fatima-san said, すごい。すごい is same as すごい, but just we extend. Just sometimes we want to add some spice, so we extend ご. すごい is kind of agree. That is awesome. Third, phrases from Demon Slayer. From Demon Slayer Episode 14, Inosuke kicked Tanjiro, and then he said, すごいだろ、俺は。すごいだろ、俺は。二回言ってる。自画自賛。These phrases we already learned, so just I will quickly touch on these sentences. すごいだろ is amazing. 俺は、俺 means I. In this case, he wanted to focus on すごい, so just he changed the order. And he said twice. Then, Zenitsu, the boy, was listening the conversation and he just described 二回言ってる。二回 means twice. 言ってる is descriptive form of 言います means say. 自画自賛 this is idioms and you can see his face like this, and these praising ourselves are too much for normal people. Then, this time, he said, こんなこともできるんだぜ。こんなこともできるんだぜ。So, こんなこと is こんな literally means such, and こと means thing. And できる is can. So, んだ in this case, this shows explaining reason. And there is, he just put some spice in the end of the sentence. And in this case, he used も. Literally means, it means to or also. Because he just kicked Tanjiro's head. Then, this transformation is the second time. So, that's why he used も. And he wanted to show off this transformation. That's why he wanted to describe what he can do. So that's why he used んだ, but this is not today's topic. Today's topic is できる means can. And this is dictionary form, and we are going to learn dictionary form for another verbs in the next video. So, I will repeat again. こんなこともできるんだぜ。こんなこともできるんだぜ。Thank you for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。